English for Iraq, 6th Primary, Pupil's Book, page 76 and page 77. Unit 6, Lesson 2.
Make it yourself. Listen and read.
This is our recipe for easy flatbread pizza. You can make it yourself. It's delicious. These are the ingredients you need.
Remember that you must ask your parents before you cook anything or use knives.
Easy flatbread pizza. Cooking time, 10 to 15 minutes.
Here are the ingredients you need.
Ingredients.
Flatbreads, half or one for each person. Grated cheese. Peeled and sliced onions. Sliced tomatoes. Green or black olives. Oil.
If you like, you can add pepper, garlic, herbs.
Listen to the recipe. Use the verbs in the box to complete the instructions.
Instructions. 1.
Brush the flatbread with oil. Bake in the oven for 3 to 5 minutes.
2. Take the flatbread out of the oven. 3.
Grate the cheese.
4. Spread the grated cheese on the flatbread. 5.
Peel and slice the onions thinly.
6. Wash the tomatoes. Slice them thinly and put them on top of the cheese. 7.
Cut some green or black olives in half and put them on top of the cheese and tomatoes.
8. If you like, you can add some peeled and sliced garlic, some pepper, some fresh herbs. 9.
Put the flatbread back in the oven for another 3 to 5 minutes. Watch it carefully. When it gets gold brown, remove it from the oven immediately.
10. Serve to your family and friends. Enjoy your flatbread pizza.